Here's how you can add a clickable link to your Instagram bio. So go ahead and launch your Instagram application on your mobile device first. Log into your specific account and tap on this profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now select the Edit Profile option, which is in the left-hand side of the screen beside Share Profile. Tap on it. Now tap on the Links option and tap on Add Link. You'll get this plus icon. Go ahead and select it, and you'll get two different sections of URL and title. You can go ahead and paste a URL of your YouTube account link, any link of other different social media platforms, your websites, or anything. Then simply go ahead and give a title to the link and then tap on this tick mark icon in the top right corner, and you'll be done. Now, if you come back and refresh your page, the clickable link that you've just added will be displayed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.